looks like a cutter.
Yeah, it's an man,
that thing is a beast. Well, we're out in our local junkyard. I'm not going to mention the name so we can
keep that private.
Yeah, so we don't have to have everybody out here, but he's a good, really good dude.
A few S10’s back here in the back. We're gonna check out and see if they got any good parts on for us for our new toys, and see what else they got out here. You never know.
Everything.
You know, when I said you could scrounge through that shit pile out back, I didn't mean you could build your whole fucking car with my stuff.
So we're back at it again. Been out here tearing the fenders in front off of the old black S10 we just got. One of the front fenders had a nice little crunch in the front of it. Got another one from Junkyard over here. Getting it prepped up so I can paint it. Might end up getting another one too, because this other fender, it's got a little spot here on the front. I'm gonna try to straighten it out a little bit. If not, oh well. Might find one at the Junkyard too. I got this one here. It's in really good shape. Just got it sanded up, ready to go. Some other goodies that came with it. But yeah, we've been out here having a little fun. Yeah, beautiful. Love these little trucks. So much fun to work on. Well, get back to it.
Rust. This thing was like rust free a year ago too, and look at it now. This is Gary's brother's truck. Used to be sweet.
Yeah, I like the color.
Gary, what did he do to it?
What did you do it?
Yeah.
You triced it. Didn't take care of it. Just fucking running around.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
What? How does this happen?
It's rust.
It's bad.
That's what Illinois does to stuff. If you don't keep it stored in the wintertime. What do you do now?
Okay. Tensioner, right?
What?
Tensioner. That's what pull. What do? Give me just a pulley.
Yeah, that's not a tensioner. Yeah, that's not good. That's not gonna work. Is that the pulley for the tensioner?
Yeah.
Well, that's not gonna work.
Okay. I have the new tensioner itself.
So what's the plan on this now?
Well, I'm about to take the brake booster off here so I can put a new manual, or not a new one, but a manual brake system in it, so I get a little more room for that big block. But I gotta get in here and take this brake pedal off and pull all that crap off. There's not much room, so.
Didn't you find one out at Larry's the other day?
Yeah, out at the junkyard the other day, I found one out there. I'm gonna grab it probably this weekend or something so I can get it on there.
He said something about grabbing. Are you gonna grab the other fender for this side?
Yeah, if it's decent, there was a couple of them out there I was looking at. I need to see which one looks the best. Grab it. Probably grab the front clip there too, because mine's kind of chunked up.
Gary, you just sound like you about puked behind me.
I'm just burping up all.
Did you hear him?
Gary got a fur ball.
Fur ball over there.
Hacking up a hairball.
Yep. But yeah, I'm ready to get some more room in this thing so I can fit that big block. There ain't gonna be no room with this thing.
I guess the other question I wanted to ask is, are you gonna freaking keep that dash, or are you gonna grab that red one?
I'm still debating.
He found a red one
There's
at
a
the
red
junkyard.
one that's pretty nice for an old one like this, but I don't know yet. I probably will. Just gotta see how it looks when I get out there.
I don't know how good this video will do, but put in the comments, should we keep the metal dash in it?
Yep.
Or should we put the red stock dash in it? That's what the metal dash looks like. We don't have to tell you what a stock dash looks like. They're awesome looking.
Yep. It looks okay. It's kind of scuffed and not put in there the best, but
I don't know, I like the stock dash, but we'll see what happens.
Yep.
Let us know in the comments.
well, got that finished. Got the brake booster off, so I can get ready to put the manual brake on. I always fight back. Can't help it. But it wasn't too bad. A little bit here. I just got it sitting here for now so I can take off the brakes and get them set up for the other one. Only gonna need a little bit, but wasn't too bad. I think I'm gonna have to get the other brake from the other truck as well. Don't look too bad under there, but we'll see how it goes. Off the junkyard this weekend.